Alright, we're still draining. Still kind of heavy. Maybe another 15 minutes or so. The relief valve there. Got that pulled apart. And also the hot water. And the cold water here. And also the food. Okay. So, in a second I'll have that out of here. About 15 minutes, like I said. Now I gotta see what I want to do with that and how I want to bring that up for an expansion tank with the new heater. But since that drains, we'll get right to it. Alright, come on.